Give everybody one more minute or so. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Sam Darnold, Michael Thomas, Amari Cooper, Herbert. Got a season ticket to 199, Jacoby Myers. And Chain Movers, Marshall Faulk. I hope so. I mean, fourth box in, nothing too great other than the ETN. Mark Andrews, Nelson Aguilar, Dak, Roethlisberger, Randall Cobb, and round numbers, Josh Palmer and Diami Brown. In the description goes to player on top or furthest left, so it goes to the Chargers. Oh, let somebody in here real quick. A.J. Brown, Stafford, Tre'Davious White, Damian Harris, Mike Evans, Gladiators, Andrew Whitworth. Tyrann Mathieu, Marquise Brown, Adam Thielen, Nick Chubb, autograph, and Jason Pinnock. Not the Jet you were looking for. And Rookie of the Year contender, Tutu Atwell. Fletcher Cox, Brandon Cooks, Julio Jones, Joey Bosa, Stephon Diggs, Power Players, Clinton Portis. Aaron Rodgers, Brady, Travis Kelce, Lamar Jackson, Dalvin Cook, MVP Contenders, Jalen Hurts. We got like a die cut autograph, looks like. Myles Garrett, Miles Sanders, Jair Alexander, Chris Godwin, Frank Darby, 21 of 88, rookie ticket. And then a Supernatural Mahomes. Would have been huge if that was Pitts, right? Keenan Allen, Corey Davis, Hawkinson, Nick Bosa, Tyreek Hill, Legendary Contenders, Antonio Gates. Honestly, before I realized it was a die cut, I thought the last cards were all bent because of how it was kind of bowed. Hayden Hurst, Kirk Cousins, Baker Mayfield, Jalen Hurts, Aaron Jones, Chain Mover Zeke. All right. Gronk, Allen Robinson, Kenny Galladay, DeAndre Swift, Elijah Vera Tucker, second jet autograph, and Rookie of the Year contender Kenneth Gainwell. George Kittle, Mahomes, Calvin Ridley, Justin Jefferson, Joe Mixon, and Power Players Plexico Burress. Two autos remaining. Jamison Crowder, Devontae Adams, Josh Jacobs, Darnell Mooney, Saquon, round numbers ETN and Trevor Lawrence. Jared Goff, Jimmy Garoppolo, Laviska, Matt Ryan, Nice. Micah Parsons auto. Gladiators, Brett Favre. Outside of that ETN, that's probably the best auto out of the first 4 boxes. Gesicki, T. Higgins, Marcus May, Chase Young, Henry Ruggs, MVP Contenders, Baker Mayfield. Don't see that happening anytime soon, but it could prove me wrong. Khalil Mack, Daniel Jones, Von Miller, Tyler Lockett, James Robinson, Chain Movers, Michael Thomas. Oh, we got another one of those die cuts. J.J. Watt, Devontae Parker, Burrow, T.Y. Hilton, see if I can do the team. Titans, Dez Fitzpatrick. Nice. 4 of 10. Josh Allen winning ticket. Still have yet to hit a quarterback auto. Antonio Gibson, Derek Carr, McCaffrey, Taysom Hill, Jerry Jeudy, Power Players, Khalil Mack. DK Metcalf, DJ Chark, DeAndre Hopkins, Tua, Claypool, and Rookie of the Year contender, Jalen Waddle. Do a quick recap here. Before you guys check out, didn't say it earlier, have a Mosaic hanger break going off in about 45 minutes. So if you get any teams in that, just send me a message and I will zero out shipping. So we got Jalen Waddle, Rookie of the Year, Power Players, Khalil Mack, winning ticket, Josh Allen, Chain Movers, Michael Thomas, MVP Contenders, Baker, Gladiators, Brett Favre, round numbers, ETN and Lawrence, Power Players, Plexico Burress, Rookie of the Year contender, Kenneth Gainwell, Chain Movers, Zeke, Legendary Contenders, Antonio Gates, Supernatural Mahomes, MVP Contenders, Jalen Hurts, Power Players, Clint Portis, Rookie of the Year contender, Tutu Atwell, Gladiators, Andrew Whitworth, round numbers, Josh Palmer and Diami Brown, goes to the Chargers. Season ticket, Jacoby Myers to 199. Chain Movers, Marshall Faulk. In our autos, we got Elijah Vera Tucker. Frank Darby, 21 of 88. Jason Pinnock. Micah Parsons. And Dez Fitzpatrick, 4 of 10. Appreciate everybody joining in. Have another one of these tomorrow night. I'll probably do another one another day this week. Until next time, hope you guys enjoy the rest of your Sunday.